we commemorated the 77th Independence Day and witnessed a significant stride in women's empowerment led by Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. Hey viewers, my name is Sasha and I have got some news rolling from the month of August. PM Shri Narendra Modi announced a forthcoming initiative on India's 77th Independence Day, offering 15,000 AGRI drones to women's self-help groups. These groups will also receive training in flight, repair and maintenance of the drones. IDEAFORGE's Netra V3 Plus, Drishya Pro from Tunga Aerospace and AG365S from MARUT drones has received DGCA's type certification for its drones. The Drone Federation of India organized the flagship event Drone SHIVIR on August 16, which focused on the updated export policy facilitating global trade opportunities in the drone sector. The 9th Global Aviation and Air Cargo Summit was hosted by the PhD Chamber of Commerce on July 26, 2023 in New Delhi's PhD House, where Quality Council of India highlighted CSUAS and emphasized quality's significance within the drone ecosystem. DHAKSHA Unmanned Systems, an arm of Coromandel International, has bagged 2 orders for 600 drones with an aggregate value of 165 crores. They bagged an order for 200 medium altitude logistics drones and accessories to the Indian Army. PDRL enthusiastically established an MOU with Dronacharya, Sapkal Knowledge Hub and Sandeep University for professional training on AeroMeg, combining skill-focused training, technical workshops, expert sessions, career advice, industry visits, internships and employment chances. Carborundum Universal Limited partners with IdeaForge to co-create products that enhance drone strength, durability and lightweight design. IdeaForge proudly discloses securing an INR 88 crore order to provide surveillance quadcopters along with essential accessories to an Indian Ministry of Defence branch. MARUT Drones collaborates with the UP government to boost greenery through aerial seeding methods. Utilizing seed copters, MARUT drones seek to enhance and simplify micro-level pollination processes. Drone Destination and National Skill Development Corporation have inked an MOU to jointly offer skill training in specialized areas like survey mapping, precision agriculture, asset inspection, drone sports, DIV drone assembly and LiDAR survey. SHIPROCKET has revealed a groundbreaking partnership with SKYEAIR Mobility to shape e-commerce. This introduces a game-changing ability to employ drones for shipping deliveries. Indian Army inks a contract with Z-Motion Autonomous Systems for procuring indigenously developed remotely piloted aerial vehicle for strengthening surveillance, targeting, tracking and precision. Throttle Aerospace has delivered its Nimble Eye micro UAV to Indian Army, which is a multi-rotor electric-powered micro UAV developed to conduct ISR operations. The Indian Navy is in the process of setting up a special remotely piloted squadron for aerial, surface and subsurface drones, including an autonomous underwater vehicle launched by Garden Reach shipbuilders and engineers. Indian Air Force revealed on August 14 a INR 300 crore agreement with Veda Aeronautics, a domestic Indian company, for 200 swarm drones. Indian Air Force has introduced its newest Heron Mark II drones, equipped with strike capabilities and the ability to conduct surveillance along the borders with China and Pakistan in a single sortie. Testing Facilitation Center is being established at a 5-acre site in Kanchipuram, Tamil Nadu for UAV as part of Defence Testing Infrastructure Scheme. DEFY Aerospace has obtained DGCA certification to provide thorough and high-quality training for individuals aspiring to excel as skilled drone pilots. As the government leverages technology in healthcare, AIIMS is gearing up for a future ready with AI, drones and robotics, ensuring readiness in the era of technological advancement for Amrit Kal. The Artificial Intelligence and Robotics Laboratory at the Indian Institute of Sciences Bangalore has achieved a significant milestone by creating a homegrown industrial-grade autopilot system tailored for drones. Niti Aayog member Dr. V.K. Saraswat unveiled CSIR National Aerospace Labs Innovation Jal Dost and Q-Plane all-electric hybrid UAV as part of Curtain Raiser event for 1 week, 1 lab. SKYEAIR, based in Belgium, has inaugurated a Mumbai manufacturing center under its local arm, SKYEAIR India. The focus is on the licensed production of Loki Mk2 UAV and Signal Mki UGV. To curb the mining menace in the district, the newly constituted Aravalli's Rejuvenation Board has put around 30 locations under drone surveillance. So friends, with this we come to an end to this month's Drones News Express. To get more updates, follow our Drone Helpline Facebook and LinkedIn page. The link is provided in the description box below. You can also provide us with your views, ideas and feedback. Thank you for watching. Do like our video. Do not forget to share and subscribe to our Drone Helpline YouTube channel.